Hi, brother. How are you?
I'm good. What about you?
Yeah, I'm also fine. Thank you. So, where are you calling from?
I'm calling from Kolkata.
Okay, you're calling from Kolkata. That's good.
Yeah,
This is, we can say, nice city, brother. I remember that one of sentence, Ami Bhalo Bhashi, like that. What do you mean by?
yeah.
Yeah,
Means I am good. I am
yeah.
good.
So I see that's good. It's long time ago. I was hearing this sentence, Ami Bhalo Bhashi in
Yeah,
Kolkata.
this is a
Great.
tagline in Bengali.
Yeah, Bengali, we can. That's good thing. So please tell me about yourself, brother, little bit.
So basically, I belong to Bihar,
Okay.
and I am Kolkata for because I am doing my BTech from Techno India.
Hmm.
Yeah,
That's
and I am in final year, preparing
okay.
for placements.
Okay. Preparing for placement, what kind of placement?
Placement related to IT sectors like
Okay,
Wipro, TCS. Yeah,
that's good. That's good. We can call to IT department data, network, and assembly like that because I don't have any more information about IT
yeah,
sector.
a little bit.
Yeah.
You are right. IT sector related means software, web development, like
Okay.
this. There are so many things.
Okay, I see. That's good thing. So please tell
Yeah,
me about your English journey. Like when did you start?
I started my English journey from December 2020.
Oh,
So
2020.
it is around 3 months or 4 months about two.
Okay, 4 months ago you started your journey. So are you enjoying? Are you literally improving your communication?
Yeah, I think so. I'm gradually improving myself day by day.
Okay, that's a good thing. So what about Skype video calling? When did you join this platform?
I joined in December 2020, 4 months ago.
Oh, I see. And
And I
continuously
love this
you are.
group because with the help of this group, you can improve your English. You become more fluent.
Yeah, right, right, right.
And you
Even
have to conversate with others people, and you can learn different kind of things from that people related to your vocabulary, pronunciation, any content.
yeah, that's this is great thing, brother. Whenever we connect, because why we came here only for improvement. We are talking each other, we can make eye contact, we understand each other because we
Yeah,
don't have a partner atmosphere. That's the reason we came here. And without
yeah,
any deal, without any disturbance, we can improve together. What is especially beginner, brother. I'm talking about even I'm also beginner.
yeah,
We are improving, English language, so especially
yeah,
beginner whoever don't know about any partner, about any environment. So those people, we can say this is good platform to learning English language.
yeah, yeah, sure.
At point we will get a trouble about understanding, about speaking, about talking some sentence and some answer. It's a will take get a problem. But if you make a habit day by day, like talk stranger every day, one people, two people, you will get the idea, you will get a fluency like what we are talking about, and what we ask the next question, how to we describe anything, we will get a knowledge, we can.
Yeah,
So this is video calling good platform. I prefer to, brother. Always I try. Always I find the people. I talk.
yeah, you are
Me.
right.
Yeah.
Many people prefer only audio call. They don't want to be visual. But
Yeah.
I think video conversation is good for us because we also learn different kinds of body language.
Yes. Yes. Body
Yeah,
language, and we can say personality development is what like our
yeah,
communication, our eye contact, our body language. We can call to personality development. So this is if you improve these things, definitely you will get a good job, and you will
yeah,
make a good career in future time. And nowadays
yeah,
you know very well about English language is going on everywhere. It's very very important, brother. Everywhere.
yeah,
You know
yeah.
you
English
are
is you can say that international language.
yeah,
I
international
think
language,
English is more. Yeah,
and we can
English
say
is one of the most speaking language.
yeah, this is we can say international, and lots of people are talking, lots of people are speaking English language. Even our surrounding also, we are doing a study over there also, our teacher, our professor, our friend circle also trying to speak a English language, but we
Yeah.
do not, get a chance. We do not take a opportunity. We always think about like feel too shy and hesitation,
Yeah. Yeah.
because our mentality is like fixed. If I try to talk in front of people, people will laugh on me. People, just try to correct me that moment. I
Ah,
don't
there,
know.
yeah, you are right. This is a perception, especially when people starts to learn English, especially
Yes,
they are
yes,
beginner. Yeah.
yeah. So anyway, please tell me about your future plan. Like, after college. I mean, this is your, we can say like last year is going on.
Yeah.
After college, how will you apply a job in IT sector, IT department? How will you get a job?
I think there is a department in my college. Name is training and placement.
Okay, training.
So in my, you consider there is on campus going on, and we are
Okay,
giving examination and we are attending interview. If they select me, then I will get a job, and I will work for that company.
oh, I see.
This,
Yeah,
yeah,
because even one of my friend, he also working in IT sector, and he was telling me like IT sector, we can say booming industry. In a future
yeah,
time, whoever, IT people, they can make a good career in IT sector, because we can say like day by day, our India convert to digital market, we can say. So
yeah, yeah,
IT,
yeah,
information technology, we can say, in future
yeah,
time everything convert to digital market,
yeah,
and you can make a good career, brother. Seriously, you can, just improve yourself and take a experience, take a knowledge, and just apply to, we can say like in Hyderabad and Bangalore, over there multinational company about IT
yeah.
related, right?
Hyderabad, Bengaluru, Ahmedabad, Pune.
Google, Google and Cisco. Because my friend, he was talking about always like I'm, taking a, I'm doing a job in IT sector, so I will take experience 1 and 2 year. Then after that, I will apply to in Bangalore and Hyderabad,
Yeah,
because over there multinational company, and those company provide everything, brother, whatever you want. Everything they provide, like your room, your food, your facility, your vehicle, everything they provide us. So this is, we can say like booming industry, seriously. But
yeah, then,
unfortunately, I wanted to make a career in this field, but unfortunately, I was commerce background. After graduation, I choose another way. We can say like I choose one of a diploma course. Maybe you
so
heard
what you
about.
want to become in future?
Yeah, actually, my plan is, brother, like if I get a job in airline industry, for example, we can say ground staff job, then I'll take a experience 1 and 2 year. Then after that, I will move on in abroad country as a job purpose, not a permanently. Yeah,
Okay,
yes.
that's good.
That's why reason, brother. I'm improving myself about English language, and I'm learning day by day. And I'm watching a videos about interview, about personality development, about how to talk in front of people, how to understand everything. I'm learning day by day. Yeah,
So have you completed your graduation or not?
yeah, brother. I completed my graduation in 2017. Like last 4 year, I
Yeah.
completed. Then after that, I took a diploma course. We can say like airline and hotel management. So
Okay.
and then after that, brother, I was working a hotel sector as a front office. I worked 1 year, and I quit the job because over there, brother, we can say hotel management. You know very well about what kind of job, brother. Seriously, it's a tough job. you know, it's literally like I mean, I'm not like over there. Seriously, you don't believe me, brother. I was working 14 to 15 hours continuously. Yeah, then I took a 1 year experience, then I move on, and nowadays I'm preparing another job. And we can say like calling department, like reservation, air ticket checking, reservation, boarding pass,
Okay.
customer service. Yeah, so that's why reason I came here, brother. I don't have any partner to implement English improvement, so I'm just,
No problem. We are here.
yeah,
Yeah.
yeah, brother.
So
And
you completed your graduation from Mumbai or any other state?
no, I completed here from Mumbai University. Yeah.
Okay, that's good. So your hometown is also Mumbai or any other state?
No, actually, my born place is, we can say, UP, but in Mumbai, last 20 years we are staying. I mean, I'm staying with my family last 20 years.
Oh, too long.
Yeah, yeah, it's too long. We can say I'm a not Maharashtrian, but I can speak a Marathi language also because, brother, I did my study in from Marathi medium, so I can speak a Marathi also, and my mother tongue language Hindi, and little bit I can speak English also. Yeah.
Not little bit. You are speaking English very fluently.
Yeah, I don't know whether, but I'm working myself since, we can say, 3 to 4 months. It's a reach right now. Okay,
Okay.
like before 6 months ago, I wasn't speak properly, but continuously I'm preparing. I'm learning, practicing, practice with stranger. So right now you can see my work. You can, you can see my like pronunciation and communication. How I'm speaking. I'm not perfect, brother, but I'm learning. Even I do lots of mistakes. Yeah.
Yeah, yeah. We all do a lot of mistakes. So
So
you
what
have
about?
joined any online coaching classes to learn English or only you to learn English by conversation?
Yeah, no, brother, I didn't join any English speaking classes, but I learn myself. Like I'm alone here. The whole day I try to think English. I try to speak English, and I try to watch English videos like movies, series, and any news also, and try to listen a podcast and try to speak. For example, if I use a social media like Instagram, so over there if I look any picture, so I try to
Yeah.
explain at least 5 minutes, like what kind of picture, who's the picture, and we can say whose character, and what do you mean by like that, I try to explain a 5 minute
Wow.
every day, every day, whenever I use my social media. Yeah.
Wow. That's good.
And
Means
brother,
you can make a story if I provide you a
yes,
picture.
right, right. Absolutely, you're right. And brother, see, like we can say, I try whole day. I try to talk to myself. This is I have a one thing, brother. I do not think Hindi to English. Yeah. So this is my plus point. I think English and I try to talk English. We can say I'm a passionate about, brother. Seriously,
Yeah, yeah.
I'm a
I
passionate.
can see that.
I English language. I have a lack of vocabulary right now, lack of problem we can say about communication. But whatever I have, I try to talk in front of people without any hesitation, without any fear. I
Yeah.
can, tell my problem like, hey, brother and sister, I have a one problem. Can you solve me about my communication? If you have any, idea, any new thing, so please share with me like that. Always I try and, take us some experience about communication. And brother, always I believe, seriously, communication, we can say this is a good way to learning, good way to implement our English language only for
Yeah.
communication. Yeah,
Yeah.
without any reading also it's very important, but in my
Yeah.
perspective, it's my opinion, brother, without any environment, without any partner, without any grammar also, any institute also, we can learn English language, like we can attend an online classes, watch a YouTube video and Skype video calling, just talk to a person daily basis. Definitely you will get at least you can able to talk in front of people, at least you will learn basically.